Hello, today we will discuss the hot question of linear equation to variables explained by me. I am Adi Bhatia with in collab with Interface and NSSIT Delhi. So first we'll learn about parts of equation. Parts of equation are mainly three variable, coefficient, and a constant. A variable is a quantity which is used to define an unknown value. Example x, y, which usually we have to find. A coefficient is a numerical constant quality placed before and multiplying the variable in an algebraic expression. So coefficient is usually a number which is multiplied by the variable and a multiplied or maybe divided, and a constant is a fixed value. So here is equation 2x plus 4. Here 2x 2 is the coefficient of x while x is the variable and 4 is the constant. Now we're going to go and solve an example of a linear equation with one variable. So how to solve a linear equation with two variables? You have to take one value and find the other by putting it in the equation. For example, I have taken x in the first example is 4. So if 3x minus 2y is equal to 8, so we'll take x as 4. So we'll multiply 3 into 4 subtracted by 2y, which is equal to 8. So 12 minus 2y is equal to 8, which finally leads to the equation minus 2y is equal to 8 minus 12, and hence y is equal to 2. And in the second equation we'll take 2 as x, where we multiply 3 into 2 and 6, it will form 6, and completing the equation y is equal to minus 1. And in the third equation we have taken x as 0. So if we multiply 3 into 0, it will be 0, and solving the equation ahead, the answer y's value will be minus 4. Now we're going to begin with hot questions. So our first question is, solve 141x plus 103y minus 270. 103x plus 141y is equal to 27. These are the two equations given to us. So we'll take the first equation as a and the second equation as b. When we add a and b, the the value then it will become 244x plus 244y is equal to 44. If we take 244 common, and x plus y is equal, and then multiplied by x plus y, which is equal to 244, and we divide to x plus y is equal to 244 upon 244, which will equal to x plus y is equal to 0. Subtracting a and b, you'll get 38x minus 38y, which is equal to 190, and then we'll divide 190 by 38. X minus y is equal to 5. Continue ahead. If we are taking x plus y is equal to 1 and x minus y is equal to 5 as c and d respectively, x minus, so if we add c and d, this will equal to as 2x plus 6, as minus y plus y will cancel out and x plus x will be equal to 2x, and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 6 upon 2, and hence the equation solves and x is equal to 3. Then we put the value of x in equation a, then the equation a or d, any of the equations which will solve the equation. So x minus y is equal to 5, so 3 minus y is equal to 5. Then you solve it, and y's value will come out to be minus 2. Now we go to the second question. Second question is 55x plus 52y is equal to 217, and 52x plus 55y is equal to 217. You'll take the first equation as a and the second as b. A plus b, 107 plus 107 x plus 107y is equal to 434. 107 x plus y is equal to 434. X plus y upon 107 will equal to 4. So x plus y is equal to 4, and a minus b, which will equal 3x minus 3y, which is equal to 0. 3x into x minus y is equal to 0. The x minus y is equal to 0. Then we subtract c minus d. 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 upon 2, which is equal to 2. Continue we we take the value of x in c and put 2 plus y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 2. Now we go to the third question. 5 upon y minus 2 is into x is equal to 13 up upon 6, and 36 upon x minus 24 upon y is equal to 1. Then we go to, so this is how we will solve. We'll take 5 upon y minus 2 upon x, which is equal to 13 upon 6. 13 upon 36 upon x minus 24 upon y is equal to 1. We'll take both of them as equation 1 and 2. From equation 1, 5y minus 2x is equal to 13 upon 6. So helps we solve it ahead and make and form take the LCM. So 5x minus 2y is upon x upon y is equal to 13 upon x. Then 6 into 5, then we'll cross multiply them, which will equal to 6 into 5x minus 2y is equal to 13 into x into y. 30x minus 12y is equal to 13xy, and this will be our third equation. Now from equation 2, 36x minus 24y is equal to 1, and 36 minus y minus 24x is equal upon x y upon, into y is equal to 1. We have taken the LCM again here, and 36y minus 24x is equal to xy minus 24x plus 36y is equal to xy, which we will take as equation 4. So we'll multiply equation 3 into multiplied by minus 24, and we'll multiply equation 4 into 30. Hence, it will form minus 720x plus 288y is equal to minus 312y, and minus 720x plus 1080y is equal to 30xy. We are going to subtract equation 3 from 4, and hence x will cut will be cancelled, and the equation will then be 792y is equal to 342xy. So 342x y is equal to 792y. The y's will get cancelled and it will equal to 342. X is equal to 792. X is equal to 792 upon 342. Hence we'll form equation 5 from here and leave it like this. Going ahead, we'll put equation 3 in equation 5 and form 30 into 792 upon 342 minus 12 upon 12y is equal to 13. 792 upon 342 y to 23760 upon 342 minus 12y is equal to 10296y upon 342. Then this equation will form 23760 minus 414y upon 342, which is equal to 1296y upon 342. 342 into 10296y is equal to 342 into 23760 minus 4104y. This equation has been formed due to cross multiplication. So hence 3521232y minus 81259220 minus 1403568y will form 3521232y plus 1403568y, which is equal to 81259220. Again, then 4924800 y is equal to 8125920. Then y is equal to 8125920 upon 4924800, and then when we divide them, the y will equal 1.65. Continuing, the value of x is equal to 66 upon 29, and the value of y is equal to 1.65. Going to question 4. 2 divided by 2x minus y plus 8 divided by x plus 2y is equal to 3, and 12 divided by x plus 2y subtracted by 6 divided by 2x minus y. We'll solve the equation by 2 divided by 2x minus y plus 8 divided by x plus 2y is equal to 3. We'll take that as equation 1, and we'll take the second equation as equation 2. Let 1 upon 2x minus y be a. Let 1 upon x plus 2y be b. Then 3a plus 8b is equal to 3, and 12b plus 6a is equal to 1. We multiply equation 2. Multiply 2 to equation 3, we get 6a plus 16b plus 6. When we add equation 4 and 5, we get 28b is equal to 7, and b is equal to 1 upon 4. We put the value of b in equation 3, we get 3a plus 8 into 1 upon 4 is equal to 3. Then 3a plus 2 is equal to 3. 3a is equal to 1. Then hence a is equal to 1 upon 3. From this we have that 2x minus y is equal to 3, which we will take as equation 6, and x plus 2y is equal to 7, which will take as equation 7. Continuing, 14 minus 4y minus y is equal to 3, and minus 5y is equal to minus 11. Y is equal to 11 upon 5, which will eventually equal to 2.2. So x is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2 upon 2, which is equal to 2.6. Going to the last question. X plus y is equal to 18, and y plus z is equal to 12, and z plus x is equal to 16. X plus y is equal to 18 and x is equal to 18 minus y. Will take that as equation 1, and y plus z is equal to 12. Z is equal to 12 minus y. We'll take it as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, z plus x is equal to 16. 12 minus y plus 18 minus y is equal to 16. 30 minus 2y minus 16 is equal to minus 2y is equal to 16 minus 30. And minus 2y is equal to minus 14, and hence minus y is equal to minus 14 upon minus 2, which will equal to 7. Therefore x is equal to 18 minus y, and 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. Z is equal to 12 minus y is equal to 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Hence z is equal to 5. And hence all 5 HOTS questions are done. Thank you.